coming tomorrow, Julian. Julian, did you hear me?
Ma'am.
Francesca's coming tomorrow.
Is Seth working on his birthday?
Yeah, we always work on our birthday. It's not a big deal. Are you excited?
I don't know.
Of course you're excited. Your first apartment.
I guess.
Yeah?
Why, motion in there? Like excited?
You're most excited about Emma being close. Emma,
No.
under no circumstances.
Ah.
Under no,
It's
I
done
never
first.
make requests from you, Emma.
Okay.
Well, I mean, sometimes I do, but I ask first.
She's gonna say don't cook.
Under no, cooking's good because y'all can learn that together. That's fun. Under no circumstances.
Hello?
Zero. Or you will resist. Don't do this.
No, she's lecturing Emma about something.
I swear.
On her own birthday, after she got